The wood produced from this plantation goes through a long journey and complex transformations before reaching furniture manufacturers. It also embeds complex sustainability concerns not only regarding the raw material and production processes but also the livelihood and safety concerns of the people involved in the production and processing. Welcome to the Pooja Wood House, Jaipur, which is a pioneer timber enterprise and a one-stop destination for your FSC certified sustainable wood and timber requirements in India. Pooja Wood House was established under the leadership of Mr. Ashok J. Shah in 2005 with a humble beginning in the industry as a timber trader, catering to the sawn timber needs of handicraft and furniture exporters. With around 2 decades of market presence and experience of supplying quality timber, Pooja Wood House currently provides high-end integrated operations along the timber supply line. Now, Pooja Wood House is one of the largest suppliers for seasoned and treated wood of all major species in India. The state-of-the-art infrastructure is one of its kind in the industry, with 6 sprawling processing plants of 35,000 square meter and processing capacity of more than 120,000 cubic feet of sawn timber per month. The processing unit houses more than 30 seasoning chambers and 5 chemical processing tanks. The seasoning plant currently processes wood from more than 20 different species including mango, teak, shisham and acacia. Pooja Wood House endeavors to improve continuously in terms of processes, machinery and staff capacity to maintain status of the operations on an updated state. Pooja Wood House is currently planning an expansion of its facilities aimed at reaching 3 times its processing and seasoning capacity to cater to the demand for sustainably sourced wood and timber. Pooja Wood House embeds its concern for environmental, social and work safety in all its processing, production and management aspects. Procuring from only sustainably produced sources is a primary policy to address concerns for the environmental conservation goals of the industry. Pooja Wood House supplied more than 1 lakh CFT of FSC certified timber to customers in 2023. We hope to achieve a supply of 5 lakh CFT of sustainably sourced and FSC certified timber in 2024. Waste reduction and recycling, energy saving, conserving water, responsible chemical management are embedded in all processes aimed at reducing our effective carbon footprint. Occupational hazards and safety concerns are integrated in all operations within and outside the campus. Pooja Wood House is also committed to the social development of the producers and the community around its operational facilities. Pooja Wood House is now pioneering the timber industry with respect to many specialties like diverse products that cater to customer choices, state-of-the-art facilities and infrastructure for all needs under one roof, efficient and continuously improving manpower, sustainability commitments in sourcing and operations, commitment to the social well-being of its neighborhood communities, expansion plans to keep up demand,